Hello and welcome to Januday News. Time to take a look at stories doing around across the country and internationally, starting with the national capital, New Delhi. The COVID surge in Delhi has mainly affected the younger population, with most of the patients reporting relatively milder symptoms, according to AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria. A fire broke out on today morning in the ICU of the Safdarjung Hospital, here following which 50 patients were evacuated, said fire officials. Prime Minister Narendra Modi campaigning in Kerala today for Metro Man E. Sridharan launched a sharp attack on the ruling LDF. Campaigning ends for second phase polls in West Bengal and Assam. 30 seats in West Bengal and 39 seats in Assam to vote on the 1st of April. Campaigning hits up on third phase of election. COVID vaccines totally safe and effective. Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan tells people to get vaccinated and not get swayed by fake claims. Over 6 crore people vaccinated across the country till date. All states told to go for RT-PCR test. The Union Health Ministry directs hospitals to increase beds for COVID patients. Maharashtra record positivity rate of 23%. The Narcotics Control Bureau has arrested Bollywood actor and former Bigg Boss contestant Aziz Khan in connection with a drug case, a senior NCB official said on Wednesday. The Board of Control for Cricket in India is ready to pull the plugs on matches that go beyond the prescribed playing hours in this IPL. China faced mounting pressure over the investigation into the origins of COVID-19 after the WHO chief revived a theory it may have leaked from a Chinese lab, and the United States led concern over data access. Word goes the coronavirus outbreak, a longer way to report from WHO, is published today. World leaders call for international treaty to deal with future pandemic. And that's it from us in this bulletin. But before we leave, Januday News appealed to all its viewers to stay safe from COVID-19 pandemic. Remember to wear your face mask, wash your hand and face regularly, and ensure that you maintain physical distancing each time you step outside. Remember, we are still in the midst of the pandemic, and these are simple precautions that we need to take on our part to defeat the pandemic. Take care of yourself. Goodbye and thank you for your time.
Please like, subscribe our channel Jan Uday and hit the bell icon.